Our changes 100%.
got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can set you into overdrive. Oh. And wait till you feel that. Wanna say you're back. Say your body could be bad to you. You need a good gonna blow your mind. Bring into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Let me take you down. Why committed to you? Because you are. I know you want it. Bang see on my ground. I'll let you have it. Take you down. Why committed to you? You better let your holy hands go. I'ma show you how to grind. I don't need to hear you talk. I'ma show you what your mama got. You gotta get baby. But don't say a thing. Say anybody could be good to you. You need a back on the line. Into the room. I know you want it. Bang over you. I need to have it. Take you down. Why too many to you? Because you're hot. I know you want it. Backseat on the car. I need to have it. Take you down. Why too many to you? Let's got a twist to the bottom, singing because you're all. Saying I'm gonna win in the line, the way you can mother. Kids are doing this, you been walking around and eat you the cook. Go. Got me rolling, Batman cooking and queen, you can only fall in this. The street is hard. Right now, swinging the heart and the pull up in it's a roar. So we hanging, we're banging. Oh, Ronnie is singing. And girl, you get the fuck at the mic, I'm so singing. Oh, to the A, to the N, to the G, to the O. To the A, to the N, to the G, to the O. So anybody could be good to you. You need a body to blow your mind. Okay. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, love. You wanna give it a go? Gitchy, yeah, yeah, da, da. Gitchy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boca chocolate, yeah, yeah. Girl, really bad. Push it out at once. This one. Push it out at once. Yeah. Inside the room, the she rushes up. Boy, don't know that I'm not the one. Her black side, red side. Come on, gitchy, yeah, yeah, da, da. Gitchy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boca chocolate, yeah, yeah. Really bad. One more time, come on. lost its touch, yeah. Who let you push it out like what? That's just what. Who let you push it out like what? Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Grand Offstage. All our music is happening. Once again, I am Trigger.
Homegrown talents! Hi everyone, good evening! That's how you open this celebration. Good evening everyone, my name is Enzo from Team Spain and I will be hosting tonight's celebration. Nagustuhan niyo po yung performance na yun? Parang hindi niyo masyado nagustuhan. Again, nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Alright, kilalanin natin sila guys. Umpisahan natin sa ating mga dancers. Pagod kayo? Nauhaw kayo? Sige, sige, unahin natin to. You are from Archangels, no? Sabihin sa kanila ang pangalan mo, Digo ID, and Kono Team.
Good evening everyone, my name is Aaron Lubay from Quezon Province. I'm from Team Hearts. At saka, I'm so thankful kay Boss A at kay Mami Kiss na nandito kami ngayon. Salamat po.
Alright, so nasa na ba Team Hearts dyan? Ayan, that's good. Next. Ay. Sige, pakilala ka. Ito guys. Sige, ikaw na lang pakilala.
Hello po, I'm Christian Ian Santos from Tondo, Manila, and my Bigo ID is Janice Ian, and I'm a member choreographer of Junior New System. Thank you so much po, Boss A.
Junior New System. Yan, nasa Archangels yan. Audrey. Kaya na ba?
Good evening everyone, my name is Audrey Perez, all the way last from the Lohiter Festival, Municipality of Tensa, Province of Cavite. Thank you.
Perfect! Alright, Jerus.
Hello po, my name is Jeros de Guzman. I am a member of Fel Manila and Power Impact Dancers. Also, I am from Team Spain.
Thank you so much. Grabe, Fel Manila Junior New System. Grabe ang mga talent natin dito sa Archangels. At sino bang hindi makakakilala sa DA Agency Season 2 Grand Champion ng The Voice, Sugar! Ayan.
Yes, good evening everyone. I am Sugar and I'm from Mindanao. And I'm also from Team Spice!
Yung mga pinakamaingay. Once again, guys, these are the talents of Archangels. Thank you so much! Thank you so much. That's how we open tonight's celebration dito sa ating grand launch ng Archangels family. And to officially open, ladies and gentlemen, please watch this.
welcome. Happy Cyberpunk Night, Archangel's family. God bless you, enjoy, have fun, and get drunk.
Madam Rudiga! It's just unfortunate that we can't be with her right now, but through spirit, we are with her. Guys, have you seen our poster regarding the segment wherein we have to make a review sa ating Animal Marketing Facebook page? Just leave and review a comment and then we will be announcing a winner. Let's do this! Wala po natin claim tomorrow yan.
Only you can set my heart on fire. Yeah, I let you set
Alright. Ano ang unang mapapanagula? First, number to win the raffle, number 174, Mr. RJ na admins. Asa na to 174 na to? Pag hindi nyo talaga to hawak yung number niya, forfeited yan. Asa po si RJ admin? 174. Ito pa? Sige, mamaya na yan. May mga pumapasok pa eh. Hindi mo yan. Matawag nga natin, may we call on the team leaders of all the teams para sila bubunot dito. Everyone, my name is Red from Team Spain. So siya po ang team leader ng Team Spain. Kuya, parang gusto na may isa pa. Thank you so much. Our second raffle winner. Number 172. Nasa po si Clyde. Nakaalis na? Ulit mo. Halika, ayun. Punta po tayo dito ako. Pag tinawag ko, takbo po. Alright. Asa po yung number niya? Dito po muna tayo. Congratulations! Ikaw ay nanalo ng 180 degrees grill and panini press. Anong team mo? Team All-Star. Rafael sa akin. Yung tapos na. Asa yung ibang team leaders ko? Yes, Jit. Papakilala mo na ako dito naman.
Team leaders ng Diamond Plus, magla-launching kami ng Diamond Plus na mga babaeng coach.
Alright, give it up for Jit! Mga babae, magpapasok tayo sa Diamonds. Alright, ang nabuna niya ay Team 158, Russ! Yeah, asan si Russ? Nasa po si Russ? Asa po ang ibang team leaders? Shucks, I hear English. From Team U, where? And all the way from? Germany. Please do the honorarium from the aquarium. You are the winner. 169 JP. Sino to? Asan yung 169 natin? Si JP. Ayan. 169. Kunin mo natin JP. Ikaw ay nanalo ng walk, free season, and all of the gifts, all of the raffle gifts are from Animal Marketing Group. So thank you so much. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, please walk. Okay, ito po ay sa ating mga team leaders. Please state your name, address, and suking tindahan.
Okay, my name is Keith, or can we please see from Team Heart?
Ayan, give it up for... Asa na ba ang team mo? Mati ka pa na palakpakan. Ayan, sige po. Una po sila, madam. Number 97. Thank you so much. Sir J. Number 97. Asa ka? Bigyan ako ng moment muna to sa spotlight. Okay. Ano pong pangalan nila? Interview muna daw. Ano pangalan at ano team ang nililit? Asa yung pakpak? Asa yung pakpak daw? Siya yung mga pag yung mga team leaders.
Pangalan ko pala sa team ko is Islam. Yung Vigo ay Vigo. Isa na lang, yung Great Dragon. Ano pala, team?
O, Team Kings and Queens, sige po, bunot na. Mamaya papatawag natin ito mga team leaders, ha? Same lang sa ginawa natin sa, soft law. Isa lang. Sino yan? Number 77, Led Boy. Thank you so much. Led Boy po, Led Boy. Number 77, Led Boy. Ayun na yan si Led Boy, Sir Jay, dito ko lang. Meron pa po bang team leaders? Ilan pa yan? Tatlo ba? Okay. Makisabi po ang pangalan at anong team po? Team Worker. Cody. Sige. Nilalamig na daw po siya. Ano mapapadalunan nito? Ayan. Number 11. Yung sobrang aga nito, number 11, si... Ano ba ito? Tokito? Tokito? Kasi si Tokito. Parang andoks to, ah. Wala. Kasi Tokito. Team, ano tong team? Team ba? Hindi ako sigawan! Team Hearts daw yan. Isa pa? Okay guys, ang last natin is a dashcam. So yung winner po ipapadala na sa kanya yung dashcam. Sunod po yung kotse. Parang kung wala siyang kotse. Sana yung mga bulot nito may kotse, ha? Paano ba? Parang pinipili talaga ni Paul, guys. Parang kita niyo yung pangalan niya. Okay, you are, what's your name and you are from? I'm Paulo from Team Lucky 7. Team Lucky 7. Oh, mga mag-slide lang. Okay, plastic. Sarap. Number! Ay! Ito, sigurado ako may sasakyan to. Ang tanong ba, meron ng dashcam ang sasakyan ni number 13! JD! Kasi na si JD? Ginawa niya kailangan. Today? Kailangan mo ba? Kasi si JD, kumakain na naman. Nanalo ka! St. Peter Plan! Guys, pag nagugutom na kayo, madami po tayong pagkain doon, ha? Manikan and Maton and one of the judges, we will have for...
Hi, RJ Castro.
Admin po siya ng Animal Marketing Group at Archangels Family. And you are?
JP Dan.
From Team Kings and Queens at anong bigay? JB_Dami. Ayan, Damis. James. Ikaw naman. It's me at you are from team. Kings and Queens. Baka mo Kings and Queens na nananalo. And you are from team? Rockets. And? Led boy from team? Wild Cards. Okay guys, that's all. Okay, at ikaw naman I see. JD from Team Diamonds. Guys, congratulations! Kayo ang nanalo sa first part of our raffle. Picture muna kuya. Palapakan nyo naman sila para manalo rin kayo! Awarding the top 3 Archangels who accumulated the top beats received for the first quarter of 2025. The top 3 will receive bomber jackets and Versace eyewear. Score average beats of 554 beats accumulated for the first quarter. Get your bomber jacket from Team Spain. Baby Sam! Wala! Asa Baby Sam? Wala pa? Ayan. Congratulations! With an average score of average beats of 481,152. Asa yung nakuha na niya? From Team Diamonds, Ruiz Gomez! Wala na, sa US na. Sa US. Sige. Alright, ito na. Rank 1 na tayo. With an average beats received of 543,371. You are the first quarter top host of Archangels family to win a Versace eyewear. Come on and get it, Teacher Mark! Boss, ayun na ako dito ako. Wait lang. Si Boss, congratulations! Teacher Mark is the top host for the first quarter of 2025. Diba, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter, i-award natin yan sometime this year. Ang ating top host for the month of April. Andito na ba? And to receive a bomber jacket, andito na ba si Tyler? Alright, interview mo na Tyler. Sabihin mo sa akin yung Bigo ID mo and from which team are you from?
Hi everyone, I'm Tyler Lopez. My Bigo ID is Tyler__ from Team Diamonds!
Yeah! Grabe na mga Team Diamonds. Ito po, maraming picture ka muna sa kanya. Congratulations, you are the month of April. Ayan, pwede natin awardan yan. Guidance and the support of our gifters. Ask Boss A to award the certificate for our top gifters. Recognition to Death Mox for his and her outstanding contribution to Archangel's family given this day of May 8, 2025 at Atmosfera Poblacion, Makati City, Philippines. Also, we would like to give our thanks and gratitude to Bartolo. At ito pong mga binabanggit ko, these are all Archangel members na meron pong Archangel family badge. Okay? We would like to also thank Bea. If you are here and I've called your name, please join us on stage. Black Spidey! Andito na ba si Ange? pala sila. No? And also, we would like to thank Sweet. And we would like to thank Sarah G. We also would like to thank Renz. Dito ba si Renz? Okay. And this recognition is only for the first quarter of 2025. Alright. Yung mga gifters and hosts that came in after March, sa tingin na po tayo magkita-kita on November. We would like to thank OTEP. Maraming salamat din po sa inyo, Fly. Nandito daw si Fly. Eh, si Firefly. Fire and Firefly. Nandito ba sila? Nasa po si Fly? Lolo Dave, thank you so much. Dito sila, wala sila. Mimay, thank you so much. We would also like to thank Maple. Manila Boy, thank you so much. Are you here? Wala pa sila, siguro mamaya pa maliliit. Jean Grey, thank you. Are you here? Team leaders, kung nakita niyo na yung mga gifters natin, please let us know. Ipe, thank you. Fuego and Odi, are you here? Fuego and Odi, nasa po kayo? We would like also to thank Dave. Picture ka muna. Anong letter to? S. Dito lang kayo ah. Budol J. Sa US, papadala po namin yung soft copy. Budol Dior. Wala rin si Dior, no? Next po, boys. We would like to thank G. Yan, si G. Asan na yung mga natin? Picture mo na natin ating mga gifters. We would like to call on Miss Love. We would like to thank you, Papa Otek. Also, she will have her choice of the evening. We would like to thank Miss Coke, Miss Gold, thank you so much. 1-5-1. Zeno ang Josh na 1-5-1. Oh guys, get those goosebumps every time. I need the high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Group and Archangel's family would like to give this recognition to Team Clubs. Asa po Team Clubs? Sa gitna natin si Boss Animo. And Queens! Asan po ang tinatawagan natin ang team members ng Kings and Queens? Ayan po. Grabe naman itong Kings and Queens sa mga outfitan. Grabe. Yan. Yung mga boys, yung mga Santo boys, pwede tayo umupo sa gitna. Oo. Once again, Team Hearts! Naging pusong bato! Para yung mga hindi kita sa likod, ayan po. Archangels family would like to give this recognition to Team Diamonds of Forever. Ano ba? Bagong reveal. Sorry. Kaya ko may bakit tayong in order. Pwede po maupo yung iba sa harapan para po kitang-kita kayo. Dito daw. Ayan. Ayan. Buhati niyo si Mama Resh! Charot! Buhati niyo, tas tapon niyo. Charot! Ayan! Kung kayo wala pang team at gusto niyo umi-English na umi-English, welcome sa Team Lotus. Thank you so much. Cheers! Sino ito nga to? Wala kayo nilo po kayo kwento. The Archangels family would like to give a thanks and recognition to Team Rockets! Asan na po ang mga Team Rockets? Aji! Di ka na mapapak? Aji, lahat ka, Aji! Team Lucky 7! to Team Royal Flush. Asan ang mga players nyo? Okay. Would like to give thanks and recognition to the Bulldogs from A to Zinc. Also the PWDs of not only from Archangels pero sa lahat po ng nasa Bigo. Sila po ang nagbibigay ng tulong, nagpapaabot ng tulong at pagkilala sa ating mga PWD na host. So, Bulldogs, you deserve this recognition. Sisigawan mo sa nalagay mo niya. Asan na yung mga picture ng mga Bulldogs? Final selections, hawak ko na po ang mga nakapasok sa ating mga, ano tawag dito? Ang mga napili ng mga judges. From this list, mamimili tayo ng 11. Audrey, Kings and Queens, Miss Love, Mark, and Steve. Dave and Kent. Meron ba kayo hindi natawag na team? From this selection, mamimili po tayo ng 11. 10, only 10. Colors. Oh! Tingnan natin ang costume ni Mama Marcel. Mama Marcel. Ay, may reveal. Ay. 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 Wala ka sa tono. Okay. Ang ganda ng likod. Haharap pa ba yan? Haharap pa ba? Ay, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na. Ay. Ginawang tungkod. Okay. Sige, tawagan natin si Jerome of Team Space. Ayan. Ang lalaking Medusa. Tingnan natin si Jerus. Asa naman si Sergey.
Go, Sergey!
Tingnan nga natin si Kane. Grabe. Pati yung sintas umiilaw. Asa na si Eros of Team Rockets? Huwag ka mahiya! Huwag ka magalala, susunod naman natin si Audrey. Sige, ayan si Eros. Go Eros! Of Team Rockets! Ayan! Okay. Asa naman si Audrey? Say hello to Miss Love! Ayan. Bumaliktad na lang kayo, okay magalit. King and Queen's Pride. Reveal. Asa si Mark of Kings and Queens? Asa si Thanos naman to. Thanos pala. Hindi pala si Thanos, Thanos pala. Si Thanos na sure ang Thanos. Hello kay Steve! From Team Hearts, say hello to Whiskey! Baby boy! Hi, Whiskey! Lima naman tayo sa Team Diamonds, Teacher Mark! Kapatid ng abs! Michael! Pasyon! Hindi papahuli si Tyler! Team Diamonds, nasa na ba si Kent? Ready na ba si Ethan? Say hello to Bush! Bench pala, sorry. Bakit Bush to? Hi, Bench! May galit. Hello, Zach! Lucky 7, ilabas niyo na si Posh! Andito naman si Nana. Shell ang ducks! Say hello to Katie! Cyber! Ayun lang. Papahuli ba ang wildcards? Cody! Ay! Bebag ka ba? Shit!
There's no place that I'd be in this world. Oh, your eyes so well lost underneath the chandelier where dancing all alone. There's no reason to hide what we feel inside right now. Baby, let's just turn off the lights, close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you don't need it anymore. 'Cause I need baby, let's just kiss till we're naked. Everybody sing with me, come on. Versace on the floor. Take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. I unzip the back and watch it's fall. While I kiss your neck and shoulders. No, don't be afraid to show it all. I'll be right here ready to hold you. Girl, you know you're perfect from your head down to your hips. Don't be confused by my smile, 'cause I ain't never been more for real. For real, so just turn off the light, close the door. Ooh, that dress you don't need anymore. No, you don't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. That's this. Everybody dance with us, guys. Let's go. It's warming up. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Seems like you're ready for more, more, more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Ooh, Versace on the floor. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Thank you so much, everyone. Drop it for me, Arena, just in my hair.
if you want it, say my wallet if you want it. Jump in the Cadillac, girls, put some eyes on it. Anything you want, just put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give you to you. Strawberry shining so bright, strawberry shining all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Let's go. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire, sunshine and diamonds, alright. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico, Cinnamon and Rico. You can be my freaka, gonna be a freaka, mama. I will never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that it's not me. Shopping sprees in Paris, everything 24 karat. Take a look in the mirror, tell me who's the famous. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us, it's not a dream. Jump in the Cadillac, just put some eyes on it. Anything you want, just put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. I'm gonna give it to you. Oh, jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night, silk sheets and diamonds all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. You want a good time, but here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. So tell me what is on your mind. If you want it, you get it. All this is real for you. Tell me, baby, what you trying to do? Your jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night, sunshine and diamonds all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I was Pharaoh, make some noise. Hey, 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 okay, let's go. Never have a straight to love in miracle. Never wanna put my heart on the line. Swimming in your thoughts of something spiritual. I'm gonna get every time you spend the night. Sex takes me to paradise. Sex takes me to paradise. And it's yours. Yeah. You make me feel like I'm the last night I had. For so long, for so long. Yes, you make me feel like I'm the last night I had. For so long, for so long. You bring my needs, you make me testify. You can make a sinner check his way. Open up your kiss, I can make you see. Right there is where I wanna stay. Sex takes me to paradise, and sex takes me to paradise, and it's yours. You make me feel like I've been like out of heaven for too long, for too long. Can I just take it? Can I just take it? Spend the rest of my days here. So, can I just take it? Spend the rest of my days here. You make me feel I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Thank you so much!
Hello po, my name is Kurt Castro and my big ID is Kurt Joven from Archangels Team Spade.
So magkakalaman naging part ka ng isang show, tama ba?
Yes po, sa Itbulaga Artistahe.
Itbulaga
Artistahe.
Artistahe. Mga ba-artistahe si Kurt? Wow! Yeah, Archangels and also Ryan?
Yes! Good evening, everyone!
Yeah!
Happy Puri. Ayan, guys, my name is Raul Mendez. My Bigo ID is Raul Mendez Official. Ayan, so sa mga nandito po, produkto po ako ng ABS-CBN Video Star Singer. And nag-join po ako ng World Championship of Performing Arts and I got silver medal, everyone!
Silver! Congratulations! Representing Philippines! sa WCO pa. Alright, come here. Carl, go ahead.
My name is Kyle. Good evening, everybody! Woo! Are you guys having fun? Parang hindi.
Tagalog kasi. O saan nagkasaya ba kayo na? Nagkasaya ba?
Masaya ba tayo lahat, guys? Atmosphere, come on! Make some noise! Again, my name is Kyle. I'm Mr. Vocal Power ng, of course, ng Beagle from Team Spain!
Represent! Alright. Hey, now, ano yung affiliations mo? Kumakanta ka saan? Saan ka kumakanta ngayon?
I sing everywhere, events, and of course, kung saan. But originally from Baguio City, guys.
Baguio represent. Alright. Last but not the least, chumichika pa! Baby says! Moso! Alright. Okay, pakilala ka.
Hello guys, my name is Baby Sed. You can call me Sed. Call me baby if you mean it.
Call me baby.
If you mean it.
At ikaw ay sumali din ng WCO.
Yeah, World Championship of Performing Arts 2024. Multi-gold medalist, baby!
Multi-gold medalist! Hindi siya... Ang humble niya doon, no? Sobrang humble, no? Oo. Baka-humble talaga.
Ikaw ang mag-introduce dapat eh. Bakit ako?
Nahaba kasi ng WCO World Champion ang dami.
World Champion.
Kayo nanalo, kayo mag-introduce sarili niyo. Joke lang. Alright, thank you. And you are from Team
Spain!
Ayun. Yun na naman pala. Alright.
Angel family, love you.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang performance nila? Gusto niyo pa ba ng more?
Magbagsak kayo!
Same song! Ulit, Bruno Mars ulit. Okay lang. Medley ulit. Alright, give it up for Baby Sed, Carl, Kurt, and Kyle.
Hey guys!
Cash with 93,203 combined cumulative beans received for the month of January, Feb, and March. You are ranked top 5 set of Team Spade. So since wala siya, papadala na natin yung Gcash sa kanya. Alright. Our rank number 4 with a cumulative beans received of 99,282. You our rank number 4 from, again, Team Spain, Joaquin. Papadala na rin po natin Gcash kasi wala rin po siya. Rank number 3 with 142,138. Congratulations, friends from Team Spain. Hindi, dito ka lang. Kasi para Gcash lang. Gcash din na mapapanalunan nila. With 153,272 beans received, you are ranked number 2, and you will receive the Cool Waters perfume. Congratulations! Congratulations! Once again from Team Spain, Carl! Asa na? Kumakain si Carl. Luwa mo muna yan! Ate natin ha. Nagutom yung mga singers natin ha. Rank number 2. Car. Ayos, ito. Bomber jacket and Cool Waters. Thank you so much. At sino nga ba ang number 1 ng DA Agency with a cumulative beans received of 100,000 185,679. Guys, average to ng 3 months. Will receive Gucci footwear. Thank you for your hard work and persistence from Team Spade, Baby Set! Kumakain na naman ata. Asa Baby Set? Baby Set! Grabe naman yan. May pag-Gucci ang The Animal Agency. Baby Set! Ay na pala. Size 20 daw. Pasok ba to sa size mo? Size 20. Alam na niya. Congratulations. Your Gucci footwear. Yeah. It pays off to be the top host. Number 1, napakasipag naman talaga. A well-deserved win for Baby Said. Thank you. Thank you so much. Maglalaro ka ng kuchi-kuchihan. Number 99. Number 99. Ang pangalan niya ay Nix. So marami tayong Nix. Sino ang may card na number 99? Nakauwi na. Number 99. Nix pala. Team Speed na naman pala to. Halika. Patayin muna no 99. Number 99, Nix. Congratulations. You are a winner. Sayang, Gucci ka sana, napaaga lang. Thank you. Ito yung mga runners-up. Yung sana sila yung Gucci, pero napaaga. Sino ba to? Ikaw! Ang medyo minalas! Hindi, napaaga dahil sa Gucci. Number 59! Number 59, tingnan mo na, Mickey! M-I-K-I. Mickey to. Mickey, number 59. 59? Yay! Picture tayo. Pwede palitan na ano. Thank you. All right, Boss A. Ako na lang pumunta sa mga anthem. I-award ko pala to, sorry. Sino gusto ng Gucci? Ano ba to? Shoes ba to? Ano size po? Okay, sino na gusto ng Gucci shoes size 9? Size 9! Sino ba size 9 dito? Oh my gulay! Oh! Medyo may pagka-cyberpunk din ha. Okay. Boss A. Ang sarap namang isuot niya, kaya lang size 10 ako. Alright, this Gucci shoes is sponsored by Miss Love. Thank you so much. Okay. Sino ang magwawagi ng Gucci shoes? Boss A, pulutin na natin yan. Ako pa din sound effects. Tingnan nyo ang card nyo. Ang card nyo ba may 0? Kutsa, para tayo nagpipingo dito. Ang iyong numbers ba ay merong number 2? Laglag na. Number 2. Last number. Ang inyo bang number ay merong number? Number 929. Harv. Nasaan na si Harv? Wala. Nako, magka-countdown tayo dito. Number 29. Harv, nandito ka ba? 5, 4, 3. Ayun, ay, ano ba? Sabi ko makuha doon. Ano ba si Harv? Number 29? Wala? Wala? 3, 2, 1. Wala? Wala, binigyan natin ng matagal na chance, ha? Kanino to? Kaninong team to? Kanino to? Pause nyo to, no? Wala, malis. Okay, ulit! Oh, wala na, wala. Forfeited, sinabi rin ng team leaders. Oh, ulit! Kailangan dito. Ha? Worth 22,000 pesos. Ses. Sino kaya ang mapalad? Sana na andito ka. Ikaw ba ay merong number 0? Ikaw ba ay merong number 9? Number 9. Ikaw ba ay merong number? Ano? Zero, 9, 3. Christoph! Wala din! Team Clubs to eh, tama ba? Sino ba yung 093? Ay, 93? Oh, congratulations, Christoph! Tanong muna natin, ano size ng paa mo? Walang paa! Asa na muna yung card mo? Kukunin na muna. Per TTI Air Observer naman dito sa series of 2025. Pag nawala, lagot. Sunod yung 11, tapos ako na bahala. Asa si Christoph? Christoph! Guys, bukas, ano oras na ba? May 12 na ba? 12:30 na. Quarter to 11, guys, take advantage of the open bar. Lasingin niyo yung ating mga bartender dyan. The reviews, so automatic winners na sila. Thank you so much. Shay, nasa yung price natin? Asa na si ano? Si Jave. Nasa si Jave. Tapos si Lisa ko tinawag. Ayun, pili na kayo dito. Dito sa tatlo. Underwear, chocolate, tsaka... Thank you so much, Nicker. Liqueur. Picture mo na daw kayo. Have guided us and mold us to become the best that we can be. Let's give it up for our founder, Boss Animal! 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 Kakaldog na yan. Joke lang.
Hi, good evening everyone. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa mga hosts and gifters na nagpunta sa ating first ever event ng Archangels. Without actually the gifters, the hosts, the admins, the management, hindi tayo mag-grow and magiging successful as planned. Originally, since we just started January of 2025 and today is May, so in the span of about 3 or 4 months, I think we hit the number 3 family in Bigo Live Philippines. And yeah, that's all because of the hosts, the admins, and the team leaders, and of course the gifters. Thank you to sa mga nagpunta, sila Givenchy, si Boss Gigil, si Scott, si Boss David, si Calvin, and then maraming pa. Ayun. And I think we'll expect more from the Archangels family. This year we're planning to have a gala on end of November or December. So hopefully same faces and same people, and I think we should aim growth more in terms of revenue. Thank you so much guys, and I love you all.
Thank you so much, Boss. Hindi ko wala kasi award na natin. Want to expect more from Archangels family, of course. We just finished our Season 3 of Mobile Legends Malupits Tournament. And speaking of Season 3 winners, we will be awarding the Grand Champion who received 50,000 pesos. Andito ba ang Team Q PAL? Andito ba sila? Asa po ang team? Andito ba sila? Anong team to? Diamonds? Asa na Team Q PAL? Punta na kayo dito. Wala? Hindi pa punta? O sige. Ito. Asa na yung iba? Okay. Kay Charles pala. Charles Jerome A. Patao. Ikaw na lang din tumanggap nung kay Nomer Jefferson Sales. Wala din. Kasi akin ba yun? Lahat kayo John Russell De Leon. Lahat yan tanggapin mo. Ikaw na nandito. And John Rainier Ricafort. Grabe, ano ginawa niyo sa 50,000 nyo? And Radcliffe M. Lopez. Congratulations! And we hope to see you again sa Season 4 ng ML Tournament that will be happening in August of 2025. And also ang ating Gala Night, where we will award the second half of our team. Alright, now we will announce, we would like to thank, of course, the presence and our judges, Barms, Madon, Geminican, Joseph Yon, Javanchi, and Miss Cook for judging tonight's best of the best cyberpunk icon. Alright. I will be calling the 10th place and will receive the consolation prize of 2,000 pesos. You are in our 10th place. Give it up for Colors! Sige, mamaya natin papaganda yun. And on 9th place, you will also receive 2,000 pesos. Congratulations, Sergey! And on 8th place, congratulations, Whiskey! Pasok ka rin sa top 10 and you'll receive 2,000 pesos. Congratulations, Audrey! You are our 6th placer. From Wild Cards, congratulations, Zach! At ang ikalimang puesto, Wild Cards po. You will receive 2,000 pesos. Congratulations, Teacher Mark! Asa na yung average? Jay? Our 4th placer, you will receive Invicta Watch. Congratulations! Gagamba yung laman, sorry, kabila. Bahay pala nagagamba yung nakuha namin. Ito. Ikaw ang makakatanggap ng Invicta Watch na nakita ko sa Colombia. Mark 31. Asa si Mark 31? Congratulations sa ito. Also, you will receive a certificate. Yan, sila po yung mga kasama sa tayo. And to receive our last Invicta Watch, and certificate, congratulations, you are a winner, Katie! Ito na, kasi si Katie. Rank number 2, and you will receive 10,000 pesos. Sino makaka-receive ng 10,000 pesos? You are a winner! Will receive 10,000 pesos and certificate. The Cyberpunk icon goes to Miss Love! Congratulations! Siyempre yung 10,000 i-gcash natin yan. Congratulations! Congratulations! Okay. And our first runner-up and also our cyberpunk icon, you will receive also 10,000 pesos. Saan team to ang gagaling? Saan team ulit? Congratulations! Kunin mo ang 10,000 mo! Bosh! Nadaan sa... Yes! Congratulations! Atun, dumukon ito. Dito yung camera sa akin nakatingin. Okay, and for tonight, ang ating grand cyberpunk icon winner and also happen to be Coke's Choice Award. Grabe! Pinili ng all judges, pinili rin ng isang sponsor ng ating papremyo. So double winner talaga siya. You will win 10,000 pesos. Congratulations! Saan team to ulit? Saan? Congratulations! Jerome! Sakit daw. Okay, magkano yung sa ulo mo? Apunado mo pa. Baliktad. Lasing na. Congratulations! You! Ay, naturo ko na. And a winner of 10,000 pesos. So, after this, lahat po ng ating winners, picture po tayo ulit. Wait, boss. Okay! Kapapasok lang na balita. Meron tayong Poodles Choice Award and they will receive 5,000 pesos! So, tinatawagan natin ang pansin representante ng Poodles to announce the winner at makakatanggap ng 5,000 pesos. $5,000.
So we will be presenting the Poodles Choice Award. Congratulations! No, Jerome!
Oh my God, back to back talaga. 15 na, bawi na! Jerome, taga ba lang? Going once! Going twice, meron pa ba? Thank you so much, Mickey and the Poodles para sa inyo sponsorship sa ating winners. Meron pa ba? Meron ba tayong choice awarders? Alright. Picture muna tayo lahat. Smoke, Bulldogs, G, Lalabs, Stock Aki, Team Swords, Team Spades, Team Gloves, Team Royal Flush, Team Lucky 7, Rising Lotus Empire Entertainment Inc., Make Me, Gabriel's Import and Export, Bossy Pay, Boss LJ, Joseph Yarn, Javon G. Thank you so much. Let's not forget the hardworking admins of Archangel's Family and Animal Marketing Group for making this event possible. Shay, Kikai, Kate, Chav, RJ, Kero, Khan, Bok, Jeros, Josh, and of course yours truly. And the people who have gathered us all, thank you so much, Boss Animal. And we are missing our founder, our other founder, Boss Fitz. Kung nasan ka man, sana masaya ka. We miss you here. And now we are officially ending the program. That means you all need to drink up and get wasted. See you next November for the Archangel Scale Night 2025. This has been your host, Enzo. And please enjoy the rest of your night.